Bowling is a great sport and there are multiple benefits to playing the game. Success in this game does not only lie in your skill or level of practice alone. The best bowling ball can make you enjoy your game and make it easy to score. A bowling ball is a piece of sporting equipment used to hit bowling pins in the sport of bowling. There are many factors to consider when purchasing a bowling ball, including size, weight, cover stock, core, price, and your amount of bowling experience. So if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buying links. We are starting out our list with the Storm Timeless. It comes with an aromatherapy fragrance, which is quite famous for Storm bowling balls. It uses the unique dual drive core and partners it with the fantastic R2S cover stock. The dual drive core is a weight block within a weight block. These two weight blocks work together to create a ball core that generates faster revving action and a more significant amount of energy transmission at the pins. It offers an R2S hybrid reactive cover stock which glides through the front of the lane and then reacts to the back end with a unique motion. Also, the outer weight block incorporates strategically placed geometric shapes in conjunction with the inner weight block. However, it establishes a new standard in bowling ball motion, faster revving action with a higher level of energy transfer at the pins. Next up on the list we have the Brunswick DV8 Bowling Quantum Bias Ball. It offers enhanced hook characteristics because of the unique traction additive found in our exclusive white pigment. The all-white color of the ball provides enhanced hook characteristics because of the unique traction additive found in our exclusive white pigment. The bias also has 3.5 times more cover stock for increased durability and hitting power. The cover stock on this ball is ECA XR, a reactive stable formulation that comes out of the box and stands at 500/1000 SIA air. It tops the hook scale for Brunswick balls, making it a no-brainer on heavy volume lane conditions. Plus, the enhanced coefficient of restitution results in the pins flying faster for more significant pin action and more strikes than ever before. However, the ECA-XR cover stock combined with the Quantum Mushroom High RG asymmetric core gives steady hooking motion with excellent pin carry on oily lane conditions. Up next on the list we have the Columbia 300 Nitrous Bowling Ball. It features a two-piece core designed symmetrically to make the ball a little better in terms of balance. The two-piece nitrous core design offers predictability without sacrificing hitting power, while the new Boost/R cover provides the gripping power needed on medium to light oil patterns. It uses a new symmetrical core design that offers a lower RG and slightly lower differential than the Deep Freeze. Also, it comes with a new cover stock that will give bowlers more back and reaction and total hook. Furthermore, this beautiful looking ball provides a good grip and is an excellent option if you want to experience something new. Another superb thing that makes this ball stand out is that 500 grit finished surface. The ball comes undrilled so that anyone can customize any grip style as per their preferences. It also arrives in multiple sizes ranging from 10 to 16 pounds. Meet up the all-new Ebonite Max bowling ball. It comes with a pancake core, making it ideal for straight shots combined with the polyester cover stock. Featuring a three-piece core design, it is meant to offer a great balance to the unit while it's in use. Also, it has been built with a polyester cover stock, which makes it the perfect ball for all of your games. The ball glows under the black light and is an excellent choice for recreational players. Further, it is a bowling ball that is great for learning all the basics of bowling, and is also the perfect unit for slow improvement and growth into the sport. It's easy to grip the ball, and smooth moves will help you achieve excellent results using minimal efforts. The Pyramid Path Rising Bowling Ball offers bowlers great looks at affordable prices, perfect for all ages and skill levels. Also, it is equipped with the new Era 139 core that provides a wide variety of drilling options, whether you're drilling the ball to go long and hook hard or drill the ball for big roll and robust back end. Besides, it offers a versatile ball motion at a lower price point, providing a proper ball motion on a wide variety of lane conditions. Moreover, the combination of the new era 139 core and the Path reactive pearl cover stock gives a versatile ball motion for bowlers of all skill levels. On the other hand, it is designed to go straight, and it's perfect for bowlers that want a precise shot every time. Furthermore, the 150 grit polished finishing makes this ball more perfect for entry-level use. This blend of features gives the ball various impressive motions on the lane. Up next on the list, we have the Brunswick Rhino. This bowling ball balances power and control by pairing the R16 reactive cover stock and a light bulb shaped core. It provides enhanced performance in a variety of attractive color options. Also, the traditional light bulb core shape delivers a medium RG/medium differential rating, ideally suited for a benchmark motion down the lane with power and control. It is combined with the new R16 Pearl reactive cover stock, which enables the ball to glide through the heads and conserve energy for the pins. Further, it is polished to an excellent 500 grit Sierre Royal Compound Royal Shine finish, and this ball is fantastic for entry-level bowlers and medium dry lanes. Another advantage is that the traditional light bulb core shape delivers outstanding ball motion and effective pin action for more strikes and higher scores. It also tries to lessen the sensitivity when on the dry or oily lanes, which will offer you a high aim and keep the ball from wandering off. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have Brunswick Tzone. It is a 3-piece polyester bowling ball for entry-level and straight bowlers. Also, the bullet core is a small, shaped version of the high-tech 2-piece core offered in high-performance bowling balls. Besides the classic standard polyester bowling ball, which is excellent for beginners to get started and always a great spare ball for advanced bowlers wanting to pick up them pesky spares. It has a new color technology developed for these balls, and thus they have more color depth and brilliance. The luminosity is highlighted by UV light, which has a cosmic effect, lighting up beautifully in the black light, and the colors become even more intense. The polyester cover stock makes this ball perform slightly significantly regardless of the lane conditions. It also helps the ball eliminate hooking and move in a straight line. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up to show your support. Lastly, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Have a great day!